Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on Uber app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about the application of Uber app here and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop like this and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.